Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? So my name is Manny, aka Frisky Hug. Go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals. I love to vlog about them. And right now we're at Los Angeles. It is Thursday, so technically we'd count this as like day 0. So everyone's kind of just coming in now. I got a lot of friends that I'm meeting at the airport. Got a lot of friends that are like making their way here. Some of them got here super early in the morning. But today's the day they're gonna open up the actual festival for the pre-party. Start off my day with a little bit of yoga. I didn't do the yoga, but like I saw the yoga. So, my friend Chubby Wubby, she's the one that did that, and she's doing a couple more other workshops. And today's agenda is really just kind of like hanging out and just doing whatever. I am gonna pick somebody up from the airport at 3. Oh shoot, my phone's ringing. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I'm hanging out with them again.
I'm hanging out with them again.
Oh, kiddos.
Hello.
Alright, so my boy Sam is here, so we're gonna go find him. He said he was by the hibachi, like something headbanger sign. Found him. Okay.
Hey, it's staff.
Look at that, we got some of the fam. I thought you were just at Imagine. Same.
You don't want to fucking talk.
It's quite the adventure. Back to the campsites we go. Hey, you scoundrels. Hey, so you have met him.
Let's go! Well, I want to be in the media aisle so I can experience this. And then let me stay there the whole night. And then I stay there the whole weekend.
Where's my coffee?
That kind of concludes. We're gonna go over the 3 rules one more time. If somebody falls, do what? Alright, number 2, don't intentionally. Okay, and then number 3. Alright everybody, that was Bosch Pit etiquette. You guys, welcome to Los Angeles.
The Frisky Hug. What's up, guys?
How was it?
It was good. It was first class I taught, and I think it went pretty well. So
That's awesome. We're headed to the staff camping because I actually gotta go get my car soon. Dude, look at all these people.
Jesus.
Could you imagine getting like your luggage and going all the way to your campsite? Dude, the campsites are far as fuck.
Yeah, those are very far.
Oh my god, dude, that couldn't be me. Alright, so we just picked up Maddox.
Yo, what's good?
My fucking guy, man.
What's up?
We're in a bit of a time crunch.
Somebody didn't plan accordingly, aka me, and now I have 43 minutes to get to the festival, and then about 40 or 52 minutes until I have to shoot a set. So here we go.
It's in the bag. We got this.
Onward.
We're stuck at the entrance because people are trying to go in and trying to go out at the same time.
Shake your face. Yeah.
That's the crowd that's trying to get into the festival from the campsite. I found Ian.
Yes.
So Ian.
What's up, man? I'm Sam.
This is Sam.
Hey, bro. Hell yeah. We out here. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Dude, I'm surprised you found it. That was quick.
I didn't find you. That's why I called you.
Yeah, well, I know. That was quick, though. Took us forever to get here.
So
Come on, we want to be in your damn video if you can't tell me.
I don't care what.
Tell me what.
Tell me who's playing.
Let me know when you go.
Let's manifest it. Black Sheep.
Yeah, but I love them. So.
And fucking Reaper.
They were like, I started listening to them when
Is Reaper playing?
Yeah.
Say that again.
Reaper's playing?
Reaper's playing.
Yeah, there you go. Reaper.
Reaper's
So we just got inside. This is day what? Day -1? Day 0. This is day 0.
Day 0.
How does it feel to have a backstage pass?
Unbelievable. I feel like royalty.
We were looking at the line, we're like, ooh, couldn't be us. Hello, here, hold it. Hold they weren't all there. Let's go together. So we got Sriracha Man in the house.
Sriracha Man, baby.
Fucking, we're gonna be planning some fucking Sriracha saucy, spicy
hot
shit.
sauce challenge, baby.
Fucking soon. Expect that shit.
I hope your stomach's ready, baby.
It ain't, bro. I bet have some pretty bad heartburn.
Yeah, same here.
Frisky Hug and Sriracha Man at Lost Lands.
No, I'm not.
So who are y'all?
I'm Zach.
So you come in the tent. Green is kind of scary, honestly.
Ew, that was gross. I can't believe I just saw that. Oh my god.
It is cold out.
All right, so that ends the day 0 vlog. So yeah, went to the airport, picked up Maddox, hung out with him for a little bit, hung out with Zach. We actually ended up going and meeting up with Ian and Isaac, if you guys remember him from the Christmas vlog. And then bumped into Sam, took him backstage, and then we were like on the artist lounge area, hanging out with everybody. Bumped into Cello back there, Freaky. Zuba was back there too. I mean, and they were all like showing me like their videos of them like being like on the fucking stage, and I'm like, dude, this is sick. But great. I hope you guys liked the day 0 vlog, and stay tuned for day 1 vlog.